Alright, okay, welcome to USGM. Real quick, I'm just going to show how we go about setting the bridge scale distance correctly, as well as aligning the bridge to the fingerboard correctly. So first of all, I have a bridge here that's been prepared. It has a center line marked on that, which falls directly between the G and D string, of course. And then I'm going to fingerboards already. This guitar has been finished, etc. And I'm going to place my jig on here that self-centers and make sure that that is flush with the front of the nut, and then gently tighten these knobs, which will center that. And then I am also going to, in addition, add a clip right here. I have a little piece of wood in there just to keep that from flexing, which would change the distance. And then notice the bridge has been brought up and centered directly with the center line and right up to the front. Again, your scale length is the front of the saddle and the front of the nut, so those have to be precisely located. So in my jig, I have the different scale lengths. I use scored in plus compensation. If you guys don't know what that means, look it up, but they have the compensation added, so I can simply go to the line I need. In this case, it's a 640 scale classical. So anyway, so we're all set, and I've got the bridge secured against there, so everything's touching, flush here, centered, so we know our strings are going to line up correctly. Now all we have to do is remove the jig and pull this saddle out. It was just temporary. And then I'm going to drill through here. I use a 1/8 bit, and we're going to locate the bridge with 2 pins. This will go right down through the bridge patch. Okay, and on this side I'm coming in about a 1/2 inch or so, just eyeballing it. Doesn't have to be perfect as far as the location that you drill. Okay. Now we are going to add a couple pins, which will basically made from toothpicks, which will pin this and locate it in its exact spot. Tape around it, remove glue, of course, or finish, I'm sorry, and then add glue and put the vacuum bridge clamp on.